Here we are in the next practice problem we're using for our word problems today. Once again, I'm going to start with Rudicy. Read, underline, think, attack, check. Let's read together. Diego has 20 cents. His mom gives him 60 more cents. How many cents does Diego have now? So let's go ahead and start with our question. We want to know how many cents does Diego have now? I'm going to use a change diagram for this one. So I'm going to start here. Something's going to happen, and this is where I'm going to end. And I'll use an E for end and an S for start. Okay, we've underlined our question. Let's circle our numbers. It says he has 20 cents. And then I see 60 cents is the other number. And cents is over here because I like to circle units with my numbers. Now we need to find the key word. And our key word is more. What does it mean when we have more? Are we going to compare like we did in our mental math problem with Marco? Are we going to add? Are we going to subtract? We're second graders, so we're not ready for multiplying, dividing. But if he gets more, we are going to add. You're correct. So we're going to add what? Ugh, silly eraser. My little left hand likes to smear on here and make funny marks. So I'm sorry about that. We'll turn off the eraser. Goodbye. Okay, he starts with 20 and he gets 60 cents more. So we want to know where he will end. Well, this is kind of an easy problem. That's my thinking. If I'm ready to attack it, go ahead and pause the video and attack it now yourself. To attack the problem. So I want to talk about this for a minute. I see 20 and 60, and they're both end in 0. Well, I know that 2 plus 6 equals 8. So 20 plus 60 equals 80. I could also use my base 10 model that I used before. And that says 2 10s, 10, 20, plus 6 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. If I add those together, I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. That gets me to 80 as well. Now, if I'm really stuck, I can go to my number grid. I always like to start with this at the beginning of the year. Remember, he starts here at 20. Select the tool, Mrs. Rademacher. He starts here at 20 and we add 60. Now when we add 10, we go down by rows and we can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Look where we ended up. We ended up on 80. So I can say that for sure my answer is going to be 80 cents. I have attacked it. And now I've checked it. Let me turn that off for a minute. Nope. And I can slide over and see 80 cents is correct. Now this question takes it a step further. It says, what is one item, so we want just one, he could buy using all of his money? So I have to go back to my sheet and find out which item is going to cost me 80 cents. Okay, so watch. I'm going to do some magic here. I'm going to turn my screen, open the file, and I need one that equals exactly 80 cents. Well, I don't see it on this page. And let's see. Oh, I found it. Do you see it? Here it is. It's here on page 1. It is a box of crayons for 80 cents. So I'm going to go back to where I was, turn my screen, and let's see. I think the answer is crayons. Crayons. Never sounds the way it's spelled, does it? Oh, wrong button. Slide over. A box of crayons. I'm going to give myself a star for that one. And I might make it yellow because yellow is kind of a happy color. Good job.